What's up, you guys, and welcome back to Business Funding Firms channel. In today's episode, we want to talk a little bit about social media marketing strategy. So that's one of the hugest pain points that we've had. We've spent thousands of dollars on Facebook advertising, and apparently we didn't have very great results. Facebook noticed that and decided it was time to give us a call and help us create some strategy. So I wanted to pass this strategy on to you. Thank you to each and every one of you that follow us and have supported us on our journey to help other business owners develop funding as well as reinvest that back into scaling their business. So if you've had any experience with social media marketing at all, likely, if you're anything like me, you've been doing it wrong. So I just wanted to help you guys decide how to run a proper campaign as well as understand how Facebook's marketing funnel works. So whenever you first go into Ads Manager and you create a campaign, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, there's this little thing called campaign budget optimization. It's important that we turn that on because that's going to help Facebook learn who your target audience is as well as your target end user, and it's going to optimize your campaign for that strategy. Now, there are three types of campaigns that exist, and technically they should be run in sequence in order to acquire your end user. You have an awareness campaign, then you have a consideration campaign, and then you have a conversions campaign. So an awareness campaign is designed to tell who you are, what you do, and why people care. Now, there's two types of ways that you can pay for campaigns. You have a daily value, or you have a lifetime value. It's suggested that we use lifetime value. And the reason for that is because daily just you choose a dollar amount, and it's gonna spend that much dollars getting your information in front of whoever your audience is. Right now with a lifetime value, it's gonna market towards your audience when they're online or they're on Facebook or social media. So it's important that we choose lifetime value. For an awareness campaign, we want to run a lifetime value of $200. Now, this is what Facebook has had the best results with in helping their clients close deals and get customers. Now, it's important when we're running a lifetime value in an awareness campaign for $200 that we run the campaign for somewhere between 12 and 15 days. So for the first 7 days, Facebook, the first 7 days you're running the campaign, Facebook is trying to determine who your target user is. So they'll take all of the information, they'll check engagement, and they have an algorithm that's designed to help identify who your user is. Now, whenever we go in and we create a campaign, we want to build out an audience. There's a couple ways that you can do this. If you have a book of business, you can input all that information and create a custom list and then build a lookalike audience from this list. Or what you can do is you can create a new audience and you can save that audience. This is recommended that you save an audience and continually work with the saved audience for the life cycle of the campaign through the different phases. So you want to use the same audience from awareness to consideration to conversions, okay? Now, it's also ideal to run a broad audience. So by definition, a broad audience, you can only choose the age, the gender, and the geographic location. Anything more detailed targeting than that is going to create an unbroad audience. It's going to be more detailed and it's going to cost more per conversions. So with an awareness campaign, we want a broad audience. We want to save that audience. We want to run a lifetime value of $200. Once this campaign runs its cycle, we want to create a new campaign. We want to use the same saved audience, and then we want to build a consideration campaign, right? So now a consideration campaign is going to identify which clients have engaged with you or watched your videos from the saved audience that we have, and it's going to try and market towards them. Now with our consideration campaign, we want a lifetime value of about $200 to $300, and it's recommended that we run this campaign for about 15 days. So we've built our brand awareness with the awareness campaign. We're getting some engagement with our considerations campaign. And once we complete running that, then we're gonna want to run our conversions campaign. Now the conversions campaign is the most expensive of the campaigns because this is designed to get you sales. So Facebook recommends that we run a lifetime value on conversions campaigns for $1,250, and it's ideal to run it for about 12 to 15 days. So this is just a little bit of help on social media marketing. I hope you guys found this information useful. If so, give us a like, give us a follow, share this content with somebody who needs it. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you again soon.